Hi guys, it's YT Pro Crafts here on my first video, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple paper airplane that flies very far. Let's get started. First, you take this edge and fold it down to this. The more neatly you fold it, the farther it will go. And you have to crease it like this. It should look like this. Next, what you do is you open it up. Then you see the middle right here? There's a line. Then you fold this pointy edge to the middle. Just like this. Same thing with the other side. Then you take this edge and fold it down to the middle too. Crease it. And do the same thing with the other side. Next, what you do is you take this edge and fold it down. All the way down here. Then you take, it should look like this. Then you take this part of the plane and fold it downward. Just like this. Do the same thing with the other side. This, and fold it downward. It should look like a plane about now, but not, this part is optional for you. If you want to add some design, you could fold it down or up. At the end of this video, I'll show you what flies farther, down or up. Here's what it looks like when the design is down. Okay, now I'll show you when the design is up, what it will look like. It will look like this. In my opinion, when you fold it up, it looks cooler, but when you fold it down, it goes farther. Okay, now I'll show you what goes farther. Okay, we're back. I'm starting with the wings that are folded upwards. So, let me throw it and see how far it goes. Went pretty far. Went all the way under the table. Now, let me get the plane that folds downward and show you. Okay, I'm back with the plane that folds downward. Now let's throw it. It goes farther. It went all the way down to the end of the wall. Okay guys, that was the end of our video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.